Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome in this video. Today we're gonna discuss about how can you customize a particular element. Let's suppose if you have a button and you are going to customize the button. So if you are calling the class like info class in your CSS file and you are changing the background of your button, what happens? You can change them. But what happens if you have thousands of pages and you are using the same class, which is a built-in Bootstrap class? Then definitely the system automatically changed all the properties and also the values on every page. So how can you customize a particular element professionally? So let's get started. So how? Let's suppose I'm going to comment this one so you can easily get the code. Let's suppose I'm going to use the row and column. It's 12 column, and now I'm saying this is the button, and now I'm saying class button danger. Let's suppose my button. Now this is your button. If I use multiple BR, that means for the okay, now this is your button. What happens if you are going to use the external CSS? Like I'm going to create the CSS link style, link type text CSS, and now I'm saying href, and now I'm saying real style sheet. Why we are saying real? About this one, because this is the advanced topic. We will discuss this one, I think, in the end of this course. Now where is the I'm saying custom style underscore style.css file. So we have to create the custom style sheet, but in the assets folder. I'm saying okay, first of all I'm going to create the assets folder. Assets. So this is assets. I'm going to create another directory inside the assets like CSS, and in the CSS I'm going to create a CSS file. So now I'm saying creating a CSS file, and now I'm saying custom style. You don't need to specify .css. Okay, so as you can see we have created the CSS. Now I'm saying assets. In the assets I'm saying CSS. In the CSS I have a custom file. So how? Control space, press the control button and hit the space to get your desired folder or the file. Now in the CSS file I'm saying copy this one, and now I'm saying by default the color is red. I'm saying background green. Refresh the page. As you can see now it's green. If you are doing like this, then what happens if you define another button danger, another button? Definitely. So you never update or you never change anything from the core class. You can also change this one, it's totally up to you, but we recommend that you have to specify your class like XYZ, and you have to call this class to change the property for this class. Let's suppose green. For now this is green. Let's suppose now you are going to use a button. I'm saying another button. Refresh the page. So now as you can see it's fine. Sounds good. So you don't need to specify this one. If you are changing the property for your core classes, it will automatically use or change the desired property and the value on your single file or the entire project. So that's why we are saying you have to specify your class name to change the property for this particular element or any element. Okay, this is not for the button. Let's suppose if you are using the alert, sorry, if you are using the div and you are using alert primary, and you are saying here is my alert for you. Go to the page, refresh the page. Now you have an alert. If you want to change the background color for this alert to copy or pasting or to using the built-in classes. Why we are saying built-in classes? Because these are the core classes or the built-in classes available in this framework. Let's suppose if you are changing the background color red, fine, you have done. But what happens when you use add other page or other files? Definitely it will apply or add the property and the values for this particular class. So that's why we are saying that you have to define your ABC or any type of class ABC, and now fine, if you create another div and saying alert primary alert, here is another alert for you. Refresh the page, save file, go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's working fine. But make sure you have to define the unique class. You don't need to use the core class. You have to define some kind of unique class to customize your element, any kind of element. So it's up to you. Okay guys, so in this way you can define your own class to customize any Bootstrap 5 elements. So I hope guys you are enjoying our video. So thank you for watching.